Welcome to this video, guys. So in this video I will demonstrate how we can basically emulate macOS and run it in Linux using the native GPU. So in this case I'm going to demonstrate uh, how we can run macOS Monterey on this Radeon GPU. So for example, let's say you have mainboard with two PCI Express slots, and you have, or maybe you have normal mainboard with integrated GPU graphics like some Radeon Vega, and you have external GPU. So in both cases, you can do this. So first GPU is working in Linux, and the second GPU will be passed through using Qemu, and it will work in macOS basically with native speed. So for example, I'm using this old GPU, but it's still very capable of running macOS Monterey. It's like very cheap GPU. Probably you can buy this card from eBay for $20 or something like this, or maybe 50. Is depending are you gonna find in good condition. But this GPU can be RX 580, 560. They all will work on Monterey. Just I'm giving you example here with this GPU. So my test system is basically this main board. So Asus X570 Pro. So the first GPU is being connected to first PCI slot, and the second GPU, which I'm going to pass to the macOS, is this Gigabyte Radeon 7950 GPU, which still can run also Windows 7 or Windows XP. But this I will discuss in next videos. So for now, we're gonna see how we can use this GPU to run macOS natively, and basically I can do it in a very easy way. So you can go to my forum iottech.dev operating system, and in this thread run macOS in Linux with Qemu on secondary GPU. You can find all the details here, including the scripts. So of course, it's good if you have some questions, hit me in our Telegram group. Here currently is growing, and we have very good tech community there. So if you wanna go and chat there, you're welcome. So let me return to the topic now. So basically, here is the Qemu. Qemu, for people who don't know, Qemu is the like open source emulator, which can emulate basically x86 compatible PC. So with this command, basically we are creating a configuration file for like this one here. I just did it for my PC, and basically we are creating this configuration file to be able to run macOS. So first things that I need to explain is just you need to run this command like lspci with this parameter, and we can list all your PCI devices. That is just in the simple way explanation. And we're gonna find that we have here like Radeon 66 XT GPU, And we have also here 7950 GPU. Okay. So what we need to do, basically, to be able to pass this GPU to Qemu, firstly we need to see exactly the address here to copy this, and just to in my case it's, we can see it just 0C like this, and of course that is the HDMI audio. Again, we can copy this in this way, and like this. And of course, one major thing, to be able to pass the secondary GPU basically into the virtual machine, we need to put the GPU in VFI mode, basically to load this kernel driver, and to be able to make Qemu to pass it directly to our virtual machine. So how we're gonna do this? I created a simple 3-step Python script. Specifically, this script now is for Dev-on. I will post it in the forum for you guys. If you wanna install Dev-on 5, and you can use this Python script, and it will directly pass the GPU. So I can demonstrate here. You pass GPU pass, check step 1. So basically the step 1, what is doing is checking, is Qemu installed? It's installed. Do you have VFI module? Yes, loaded. IOMMU in the group is present, and basically you have all the requirements passed to be able to run this, basically to put the secondary GPU in this mode. Okay, so that's the first step 1. Step 2, we need to select which GPU we want to pass. So basically we want to select this GPU and click save. That's the next step. And the step 3, we're gonna update our configuration file, and after that restart. And congratulations, everything is applied, and your system, please reboot your system to enable GPU pass-through. Okay, so we did it, so now we need to restart. So guys, after we restarted our computer, we need to check is the VFI or module is loaded. So we need to run again this command. And as we can see here, kernel driver in use is VFI or PCI. Is here. So what this means? Basically, it means that we can use our secondary GPU into the virtual machine in very easy way. It's ready to be connected to our virtual machine, and we're gonna try it. Okay, let's start the script now and see what will happen.